And finally, number one, the country that proves your Jamaican passport is golden.
Country number one, Panama. Number one, the crown jewel, Panama. Visa-free stay, 180 days. Requirements, passport, return ticket, proof of funds. 6 months. Let that sink in. Panama sits at one of the most strategic locations on Earth, where the Atlantic and Pacific meet and global trade flows through the Panama Canal. This isn't just geography, it's opportunity. Panama City is a modern financial hub with a skyline that rivals Dubai, over 100 international banks, and the US dollar as its official currency. Stable, global, and business-friendly. Outside the city, pure diversity. Sandblast Islands, untouched Caribbean paradise. Bocas del Toro, beaches, surfing, island life. Boquete, cool mountains, and world-famous coffee. But here's why Panama is number one for Jamaicans. That 180-day stay lets you test retirement, build an online business, or explore residency without paying a single visa fee. Panama taxes only local income, meaning foreign or online earnings are tax-free. Healthcare is top-tier and affordable. Real estate is cheaper than Kingston. And culturally, Panama understands Jamaicans. Many canal builders were Caribbean, and that respect still exists today. When Panama gives Jamaicans 6 months, it's sending a message: you're welcome here. That's why Panama isn't just a destination, it's a launchpad.